What's up, my name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Tumechoka Sarabi band. This is a request that was made by one of you. So if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a tutorial. So guys, with that, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of G. It's a simple song. The progression is 6, 5, 1, 4. The 6 is the E minor chord. The 5 is the D chord. The 1 of course is the G chord, and then the C. The 4 is the C chord. So you can either play the open chords or you can play the bar chords from here. So E minor, D, G, C. So on how to hold the chords, E minor, I'm using my middle and my ring finger on the second fret. Middle finger playing string number 6, string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger string number 4 on the second fret. E minor, D chord, middle finger string number 1 on the second fret, pointer finger playing string number 3 on the second fret, and my ring finger string number 2 on the third fret, D chord. And then 1, G. So G, my ring finger is on string number 6 of third fret, my middle finger string number 5 on the second fret, and then small finger string number 1 on the third fret, G. And then finally the C chord, where my pointer finger is playing string number 2 on the first fret, my middle finger playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret. I think my middle finger is on string number 4, second fret. So that's how you gonna play the chords on open. And then if you want to play with bar chords, of course you play the E minor here, where your pointer finger will be barring string number 1 to 5 on the 7th fret, and then your middle finger will be on string number 2, 8th fret, your ring finger string number 4 on the 9th fret, and small finger string number 3 on the 9th fret. So E minor, D chord here. So D chord, pointer finger string number 5 on the 5th fret, and then on the 7th fret you bar in with the ring finger string number 2, 3, and 4. And then G chord here, pointer finger 3rd fret, bar in string 1 to 6, middle finger on the string number 3, 4th fret, ring finger string number 5 on the 5th fret, and your small finger string number 4 on the 5th fret. So that's G. And then finally the C chord. So C chord, pointer finger string number 5 on the 3rd fret, and your ring finger will be barring string 2, 3, and 4 on the 5th fret. So this 3rd and 5th fret. So C chord. So you can alternate between, here, between the bar chords and the open chords. So that's how you will play this song, and that's it for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.